Imagine staring at a jagged, oversized hole in a firewall with cables spilling out, knowing you have to make it code compliant by the end of the day. That is exactly where this heavy-duty 4-inch retrofit sleeve kit from Hilti comes into play. And honestly, it is a bit of a lifesaver for anyone dealing with messy, existing cable runs. Instead of tearing out half the wall or struggling with messy Firestop caulking that gets all over your hands, this clever system wraps right around your existing cables. What stands out immediately is the oversized flange. If the drywall saw slipped or the previous installer got a bit too enthusiastic with the hammer, that extra-wide flange covers up those ugly, irregular gaps with ease. It feels incredibly solid in the hand, not like cheap, flimsy plastic, but rather a robust piece of commercial-grade hardware built to take a beating. Now here is the really cool part. It features an integrated seal right on the flange itself. That means you do not have to spend 20 minutes sealing the edges manually. It just presses flush against the wall and does the job. It is rated to handle temperatures ranging from a freezing 5 degrees all the way up to a sweltering 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether it is going into a drafty warehouse or a hot server room, it is not going to warp or degrade. Another huge plus is how easy it is to open back up. If you need to run another cable next month, you just pop it open, slide the new wire through, and seal it back up without starting from scratch. But look, no product is perfect. The biggest hurdle here is going to be the price. Hilti gear always commands a premium, and if you are doing a massive facility overhaul, the cost of these kits can add up fast. Also, because that flange is so generously oversized, you might run into clearance issues if you are trying to squeeze it into a tight corner or right next to a structural stud. Still, for retrofitting existing runs, the sheer amount of time saved on labor makes it worth every penny. It turns a frustrating, messy chore into a quick, clean, and satisfying job that actually looks professional when you walk away.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.